Hello everyone. As in the previous video, we have seen how the dependent objects are injected into a class. In our previous project, we have designed one class SIM card 1, and SIM card 1 was having a dependency of service provider. Now, in that case, we have created the bean for this class SIM card 1, and we have seen that the dependent object can be injected with the help of setter method by using the same attribute property, or by using the same tag, property tag, which is having two attribute. One is name and second is ref. Ref attribute is used when we are injecting the reference type data types. Like if we are injecting only the primitive types or the string type, then instead of ref we will use this value. But if we are injecting the objects or the reference type data types or the user defined data types, then we have to use this word ref as an attribute for injecting the dependencies. Now here, as in this case, in the service provider, the dependency of Airtel has been injected, because in the ref we have to give the name of some ID of the bean. Here we have to use bean. So here we are injecting the bean which is having the ID Airtel. Now in this class we will study if our model class or a business class is having some collection of values like list, map or set, then how those dependencies can be injected with the help of the configuration file. Now, as the project we have designed in the previous tutorial, there is a class SIM card which is having the dependency of the service provider. Suppose this class SIM card 1 is having one list, that is the list of the contacts which are there saved in your SIM card. First I will import this data structure from the util package. Suppose this is having some contacts saved within the SIM card. Now how this collection, that is collection of string, can be injected into this SIM card 1. Now first we have to create the setter and getter methods for these, so that the injection can be performed with the help of the setter methods. Now here the setter and getters has been injected for this contact. Now here we will have one method to print the contacts, contact list method. Now all the contacts are of type list. So first we will generate here contacts of SIM 1. And then we will design one for string contact colon and the list here, that is our contacts. Now within the body we will simply print all the contact and we are done. Now we have to make a small alteration in this class, because this SIM1 class or this SIM card 1 class is now having two properties. Previously it was having only one property, but now it is having two properties, and the name of the second property is contact. Now here we will make use of this property tag that the name is equal to contact, and now we will make use of this value tag. Now its values are in the form of list. This value tags will be used inside the list. So its property is having a collection of the list, and this list has the value, like one contact is there for home and the second contact is there for office and the third contact is there for school. This is office, and the fourth contact is there for suppose college. So our list is having 4 strings, and we are injecting these string into the property contacts of SIM card 1. Now here, as we are having now two methods, that is active and contact list. So in this we will call this method contact list. Now the expected output will be the first, the service method of injected object will be called, and second, the contact list of this SIM card 1 will get printed. Now when we run this program like this, now see, first the service method of the injected object has been called, and secondly the contact list of sim1 has been printed, which we have injected in the configuration file. Now here we can also make one message says out, like to print injected object. So we will get an idea that this object is an injected object. Injected object is this and contact list is this. So if we change the injected object from Vodafone to Airtel and again run this application, run as this. Now here the injected object is now Airtel and the contact list of this same one. Okay, now we have done with the dependency injection by setter method. The type of dependencies which can be injected with the setter method is first primitive and spring based. We have already seen this. Dependent object, we have already seen this, and now in this video tutorial we are done with collections also. Now in the second or in the subsequent video or in the next video, we will see how to inject the dependent object with the help of constructor. Then we will see how to inject this collection with the help of the constructor. Okay, bye for now. Good day.